Dr. Mukul Sangma ulapan pau kanyang sukya ka bajur halo ka Pyniapait Iapra juga Jaidbynriew befer hapo ka Jylla. Kini ka Pyniapait Iapra ula kenok Dr. Mukul Sangma ka di ka le jeng ki politician kuntup ya uru kumju. Nama takada ula khot ya ka Jylla lang baro manwara ya ka Jylla kawai jeng ki Jaidbynriew befer ki badan hapo ka Jylla. Nomor kapor kam syasu panandon ka Pyniapait Iapra hapring ki Jaidbynriew le ka de bandong baik ka Jylla kawai hapring ki Jaidbynriew ki badan hapo jong ka Jylla.
Trend which has been set, and by no other person but politicians. It includes me also. It includes me. We have failed in infusing the sense of oneness amongst our people, but we have to try. We have failed, so I'm taking cognizance of that. That's why now our job will be to unite our people. My first and foremost job as one of the many, one among the equals who is elected representative, one of the elected representatives will revolve around that focus. And that's when, you will see how our state can realize its true potentiality to the optimum level. Today, the state's potentiality is so much. I was referring in the House. Look at 2014. After the